Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode in Facebook on computer officially. So let's start. So let me minimize this file first, okay? So first of all you have to open your web browser. I'm opening my Google Chrome. You can open any web browser of your choice like Firefox, Microsoft's Edge, etc. So let me open my Google Chrome. You can see it's opened. And after that guys, you have to go to this website of facebook.com and log into your Facebook account. You can see I'm already logged in, and you can see I don't have any dark mode enabled. So let's enable that. So for that, what you need to do, you have to click on this little drop down, this button at the top right. Let me click on that, and I have this little menu opened. And after that guys, you have to click on this display preferences. So let me click on that, and I have this screen opened, and here I have this dark mode section. So you can see guys, currently I have this off option selected. Okay, so in order to enable dark mode, what we need to do, you have to click on this option on. So let me click on that, and you can see I have this dark mode enabled in Facebook on computer. After that, you can close this. So just click on this back button, and in order to close this menu, again you have to click on this little drop down button. Okay, so you can see it's now closed. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily enable a dark mode in Facebook on computer officially. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.